Good morning, student. This is Tripadi, Department of Mathematics. In this session, we are going to see 7th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 4, Rational Numbers, Topic, Representation of Rational Numbers as Decimals. We are going to discuss about representation of rational number as decimals. Let's see representation of rational numbers as decimals. Representation of rational numbers as decimals have two types. First one terminating decimals, second one non-terminating decimals. Let's see terminating decimal. Terminating decimal is a decimal with finite number of digits after the decimal point. Let's see the example of terminating decimal 1 by 4. Let's divide 1 by 4. Now we cannot divide 1 by 4 since 1 is smaller than 4. So we put 0 after 1 and put the decimal point in quotient. Now 2 4s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2. We get the remainder is 2. Adding 0. 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. We get the remainder is 0. When we divide 1 by 4, we get the answer is 0.25. In this case, we get the remainder is 0 and the division ends that 0.25 is a terminating decimal. This is terminating decimals. Let's see the another example of terminating decimal minus 33 divided by 20. Let's divide 33 divided by 20. 1 20s are 20. Now 33 minus 20, we get the remainder is 13. Now we cannot divide 13 divided by 20 since 13 is smaller than 20. So we put add 0 and input the point in quotient. Now 6 20s are 120. Now 130 minus 120, 10. We get the remainder 10 and adding 0. 5 20s are 100. 100 minus 100, 0. We get the remainder is 0. When we divide minus 33 divided by 20, we get the answer is minus 1.65. In this case, we get the remainder is 0 and the division ends that minus 1.65 is a terminating decimal number as the decimal terminate or ends after certain value. This is terminating decimal. Next, non-terminating decimal. A non-terminating decimal is a decimal with infinite number of digits after the decimal point. Non-terminating decimals have two types. First one recurring decimal, second one non-recurring decimals. Recurring decimal. Recurring decimal is a decimal in which some digits after the decimal point repeat without terminating. Let's see the example of recurring decimals. 2 by 3. Let's divide 2 by 3. Now we cannot divide 2 by 3 since 2 is smaller than 3. So we put 0 after 2 and we put decimal point in quotient. 6 3s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2. Again adding 0. 6 3s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2. Here adding 0. 6 3s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2. We get the remainder is 2. So the remainder is 2. So this division would go on like this. 2 by 3 equal to 0.666 and so on. Such decimals are called non-terminating recurring decimals. In this particular decimal, 6 is repeating itself. So we can write it like 0.6 with dot or 0.6 with bar. This is non-terminating recurring decimals. Next, non-recurring decimal. A non-terminating, non-recurring decimal is a decimal in which the digits after the decimal point do not repeat and do not terminate. Example, root 2 equal to 1.414213562 and so on. Root 3 equal to 1.7320508075 and so on, and root 5 equal to 2.2360679774 and so on. Such numbers are irrational numbers. They cannot be written in P by Q form. Next, exercise 4.5. To convert into decimal form. 12 divided by 25. We can easily convert a fraction into a decimal by a division method. Let's divide 12 divided by 25. Now we cannot divide 12 by 25 since 12 is smaller than 25. So we put 0 after 12 and put the point in quotient. 4 25s are 100. 120 minus 100, 20. Now again add 0. 8 25s are 200. 200 minus 200, 0. We get the remainder is 0. When we divide 12 divided by 25, we get the answer is 0.48. This is terminating decimals. 4. Convert into recurring decimal. Minus 2 by 9. Let's divide 2 by 9. We cannot divide 2 by 9 since 2 is smaller than 9. So we put 0 after 2 and put the point in quotient. Now 2 9s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2. Here put 0. 2 9s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2. Again add 0. 2 9s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2. We get the remainder is 2. So this division would go on like this. Minus 2 by 9 equal to minus 0.222 and so on. Such decimals are called non-terminating recurring decimals. Here 2 is repeating itself. So we can write it like 0 minus 0.2 with dot or minus 0.2 with bar. This is recurring decimals. Convert into recurring decimal 5 by 11. Let's divide 5 by 11. We cannot divide 5 by 11 since 5 is smaller than 11. So we put 0 after 5 and put the point in quotient. 4 11s are 44. 50 minus 44, 6. We get the remainder is 6. Here adding 0. 5 11s are 55. 60 minus 55, 5. Adding 0. 4 11s are 44. 50 minus 44, 6. Adding 0. 5 11s are 55. 60 minus 55, 5. We get the remainder is 5. So this division would go on like this. 5 by 11 equal to 0.4545 and so on. Such decimals are called non-terminating recurring decimals. In this particular decimal, 4 and 5 are repeating itself. So we can write it like 0.4 with dot, 5 with dot or 0.45 bar. This is non-terminating recurring decimals. Sixth one, state the greater number in each pair. Here given the pair 1.5, 5 by 4. We can find the greater number. 1.5 is a decimal number. 5 by 4 is a rational number. We can convert into rational number into decimal number. Then only we can easily find out the greater number. 5 divided by 4. 1 4s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Now 1 is smaller than 4. So we put 0 and put the decimal point in quotient. 2 4s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2. Again adding 0. 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 20, we get the remainder is 0. So 1.5, 5 by 4. 1.50 greater than 1.25. Now 1.50 is greater number. 1.5 greater than 5 by 4. Greater number is 1.5. Thank you, student.